face full.
Getting the sprinkles on it. Almost there.
Pulled out.
Linda said the trackman took her stuff. He's had
Yeah. Get it?
Good. Yeah.
All right, last one. Yeah, I'll have to get in it or something. I can't hardly reach it. Pry it out. Ready to take the bed off.
Good.
Guys, turn around. Daryl, I didn't see you.
Well, that's a good thing, right?
Yeah. Jared, look up.
All right. Now you're going to drive out from under.
All right. I think I'll be all right. There she's. Okay. She's out.
Watch it, Dad. Okay. Brake stuck completely. No weight on it now. Crab walk.
All right. Well, we got truck backed in the garage here. This was totally piled pretty much just like this, and we got everything either cleared out, give it to my uncle, or burned, or taken to the scrapyard. We're hoping to get everything jammed that we can back in here on this side, or under the truck right there. And we're gonna put the bikes on the frame here because we got the bed off. So hopefully we're just gonna put some of the bikes and stuff like weed eater and all that. That'll just sit right up here, and then you can slide lawnmowers, the push mowers, and then hopefully we're gonna pull the lawnmower and it's gonna fit right here at the very end. So just to give you an idea, I had to park it real close here. I don't know if you can tell, but that battery charger, that's barely a little less than a foot. So tight squeeze, but I made it. Still haven't fixed that belt squeal though. You could probably hear it in the past couple videos, but we'll crack the hood and I don't know what's slipping. The belt's slipping. We'll fix it later though. Trying to get the rust fixed. That's why we got the bed off. I don't know if I've said it before, but there's the other door. I haven't shown that yet. It's been sitting in this garage. It used to be right here with an old blue tarp over it so the cat don't scratch it up. But things in perfect condition because it's been out of the weather, just a little dusty. And you need a mirror glass for it, but you can find that. Other than that, pretty much, hopefully, set. There's all the stuff we got to put back in. This here, and lawn mowers, and bikes, and generator. But should be all right. And now the cut and weld process begins.
It's a loud mower.
Alright, well, we got everything pretty much tucked away. Oh, he's alright. He's trapped.
I'll go the other way.
Yeah, come over here.
This side, the other side. The other side is better. Yeah, just move that.
Yeah. Alright. So got the mower in. And piled a bunch of stuff on the bed because we won't be needing it anyway. Got boards under here, so we just slapped a bunch of stuff on top, like the bikes and all that. Got the motorcycle and all the other push back here, because this is going to be where we need to work. And we'll just pull that mower out every time. But yeah, if I can still walk around a decent amount in here, I'd say we did a good job. So, pretty successful day. Got the bed off. Got it stood up on the jacks. And tried to get that belt, but we'll get it next time, don't worry. Door latch still not done yet, but making progress though, making progress. A little bit at a time. Everyone has their own lives, including me, so it's not like I'm a famous YouTuber who does this for a living. So it's gonna take a little bit. But yeah, I don't know if I've shown the bed up close, but she's pretty sturdy on these stands here that we found. This is how we did it before, or not me, but my papa, he hooked it up on these wires here on each side. We took the strap and did the other cab corner. But she's solid, hopefully. Say a little prayer every night that she don't fall down on me. If she does, I'm gonna cry. But I think she'll be all right. She only moves this side to side a little bit, not even forward to back at all, just a little side to side. And it's pretty windy today, and she's solid. So unless we get hurricane force winds, I think we'll be all right. But unless I do one more little thing, which I don't think so, that's pretty much it. And see you guys next time.